If you followed me even just for a little bit on social media, you know how much I love ChatGPT. So why am I now saying it's going to destroy your business? Let's talk about it. I know, and no, it's not clickbait. ChatGPT seriously can destroy your business if you are not using it right. So let's start in the beginning and let's explain where I'm coming from. If you are following me anywhere on social media, and especially if you are following me on Instagram and my reels and my Instagram stories, you know how much time ChatGPT has saved me simply by helping me clean up coding, by helping me write sales copy, by writing emails for me. And that's exactly where it's coming in. ChatGPT has been a godsend for me as an immigrant, as English being my second language, as being an entrepreneur, as being a coach, as being a consultant. I love it right now more than any of the other AIs out there. However, think about this. Just let's sit on down, let's take a deep breath, and let's just think about this. Evie goes out there and Evie writes the landing page for her new group coaching program. Real story, real happening. I have been struggling with this is so easy, this all just comes to me, it happens. Nothing to do with ego, it just is. I am living in systems, I see them everywhere. I am a tool nerd. It just easily comes to me, and that is a luxury and a privilege. Where my struggle comes in is being able to step back 5 years when this stuff didn't come easy to me, and to learn and to understand what people are struggling with. So when I am writing a application page or a landing page or anything of that, I love going into ChatGPT and ask, what are the pain points? What is the intention behind all of this? What are we doing? And it literally helps me build public copy based on the personas and the target market that I want to target. It helps me, with English being my second language, to find the right words, to find the right phrasing that connects with the people that I want to connect with. And it does that so much faster than me sitting here and going over my copy 24 hours, 48 hours, 36 hours, and over again and over again and over again. It is a creative lifesaver. It is easier for me to be like, oh, I like this, but I don't like this. And that's where ChatGPT has been really, really handy for me, because I literally just go over there and tell them, hey, this is what I'm trying to do. This is what I want to accomplish. This is who I want to talk to. Go write something for me. And then I can put my personal touch on. Now, where ChatGPT can seriously destroy your business is if you make the mistake of, now I don't need to become better. Now, who cares? This sales page, this application page, this landing page is perfectly converting, and I'm getting one discovery call after the other. My schedule is full and I'm literally just popping on the phone and talk to people. No. Because the problem comes in when you cannot deliver on the content that ChatGPT has allowed you to write. It has made it easier for you to find the right words. It has made it easier to you to connect with your audience, to really step into who you were a few years ago, because that's usually the people we help as coaches and consultants. However, people buy from humans. If you suck at that sales call and you cannot show up as the person that ChatGPT has helped you to be in your copy, people are gonna be showing up like, who are you? This is not what you promised me. This is not what was on that landing page. This is not the energy and the person that you told me I'm going to meet. So you better make sure that, yes, using ChatGPT to be your best self. We don't all have to be the best at content writing. You just need to know who to talk to and how. You still need to put the work in and learn how to do sales well. Learn how you are coaching. Learn how you can get the best result for your clients. Because if you are just using ChatGPT to polish yourself up and look awesome, and then you are not awesome behind the scenes, you are not going to convert any of those clients. And it doesn't even have to be a sales page and a discovery call. It can be as simple as, again, doing a sales page and selling a template, yet the template is ClickUp template. ClickUp template. Let's get on a rant for a second. There's so many ClickUp templates out there that are not practical, that are not scalable, that do you no good, yet the advertising for them is top notch. Don't be that person. You still need to up-level yourself. You still need to go out there and learn and take classes and just get better at the thing you are doing so that you can deliver what ChatGPT helps to promise you. And that is the reason why ChatGPT will never ever take away your job. But if you let it, it can destroy your business. And if you are seriously committed to not letting AI destroy your business, I have a full-on playlist for you that shows you how to optimize and automate your business and use AI as well as other tools to help you be more efficient and show up as your best self. I'll see you there.